Espresso is the fundamental ingredient to every coffee beverage we love, and that's why we've partnered with top Canadian third-wave specialty coffee roasters. But these coffees need to be dialed in to get the best flavors possible. I'm Sarah Dooley, here to walk you through the process. Now, assuming you've placed a single-wall double-shot basket in the portafilter, you've selected the Roast on Date button when setting up your machine, and you've chosen the double espresso, we're at the same starting point. We landed on a grind setting of 31. Yours may be different, and that's okay. This machine will coach you to the right setting. Grab your portafilter and dry and wipe it out. Insert it into the grinder and pull it to the right or press the grind icon on the screen. My starting brew recipe is 22 grams of freshly ground coffee, 25 to 30 seconds of brew time, resulting in about 2 ounces of espresso plus a little crema. There it is, green icon, we're done. And just like that, grind, dosed, and tamped perfectly every time. Ridiculous. Wipe off the grounds around the rim and insert it into the brew group. Pull it till it's snug. Press the double cup button and grab your favorite cup. Now you shouldn't see the first drop till around the 9 to 12 second mark. This machine is volumetric. That means once the correct amount of water flows through the puck, it shuts off automatically. If your shot is extracted correctly, it will stop running after 25 to 30 seconds of contact time. That's about 2 ounces of coffee plus the crema in the cup. If your extraction is too fast or too slow, you'll get a recommendation to adjust your grind setting. Did your coffee look and taste like mine? This machine will prompt you when the grinder needs an adjustment. Follow the prompts, it's easy. The #1 goal with changing the grind is to slow down or speed up the flow of water through the coffee bed for the most delicious shot. If the flow is too fast, the coffee will taste sour. The Oracle Jet will prompt you to adjust the grind finer to slow down the water flow. If the water flow is too slow, it will taste bitter or astringent. The machine will prompt you to adjust the grind to a more coarse setting. Check out this new feature on the Oracle Jet. Now you can make cold brew in minutes, not 12 hours, and cold espresso shots, perfect for an after-dinner affogato. There are even recipes, like the espresso martini, to guide you into happy hour from home. This machine will coach you through dialing in new coffees every time. The Oracle Jet is the perfect combination of performance and automation. It's like having a little barista built inside every step of the way. I'm Sarah Dooley. Enjoy your coffee and see us again soon. Oh my God, can I just show you one quick thing? Check this out. Dark mode. What?